Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Linux process management. In this video, we'll be covering the essential commands for managing processes in Linux, including ps, top, kill, and SYSTEMCTL. In Linux, unmanaged processes can consume system resources, slow down your system, and even cause security risks. That's why it's crucial to know how to view, control, and terminate processes effectively. To manage Linux processes, we'll use commands like ps, top, kill, and SYSTEMCTL. These commands provide a powerful way to view, control, and terminate processes, ensuring your system runs smoothly and securely. Let's run some examples. We'll start with ps aux to view all running processes, then use top to see the top processes consuming system resources. We'll also demonstrate top for a more interactive view, kill to terminate a process, and SYSTEMCTL to check the status of a system service like SSHD. When working with Linux processes, it's essential to avoid common pitfalls like using the kill command with the -9 signal unnecessarily, which can lead to data corruption or other issues. Instead, use the term signal to allow processes to shut down cleanly. In this tutorial, you've learned how to manage Linux processes using essential commands like ps, top, kill, and SYSTEMCTL. Remember to apply best practices to avoid common pitfalls and ensure your system runs smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials and tips.